Hello dear students, welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Janab Mirza of your English subject teacher. I hope you will be fine at your home, but you will study continue with us by the help of online classes. Okay? You know very well and also read about this story, The Little Duckling. In previous video and also second video with exercise and also with summary of the little duckling. Okay, so let's we start. Do the exercise. You know very well spelling. Here is given for you some words from the lesson, so you can do it easily. Okay. Exercise E. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with correct letters to complete these words from the lesson. Okay. First is, what is the spelling of branch? Tell me the spelling of branch. BRANCH, branch. Okay. Which letter here is fill in the blanks? R. Okay. So next, what is the spelling of scratch? You know very well spelling of scratch. So tell me the spelling of scratch. Okay. SCRATCH. Okay. Which letter here is the fill in the blank? R. Okay. So next, what is the spelling of salt? So tell me the spelling of salt. SHORT. Which letter here is fill in the blank? H. Okay. So next, SHARP, sharp. You know very well spelling of sharp. Okay. Because a hen has sharp claws. Okay. Sharp means blunt. Okay. Keen. Okay. Which letter fill in the blank? H. Okay. Okay, next, fifth, what is spelling of class? The spelling of class, CLAWS. You know very well this spelling. Okay. Okay, next, six, farm. Okay. Farm is a house of hen. Okay. So tell me the spelling of farm. You know very well the spelling of farm. Okay. So tell me FARM, farm. Okay. Which letter in the blank? A. Okay. Okay, next, punctuation. Okay. Begin with capital letters and end with full stops. So there will be punctuation. Okay. Okay, next, first is Alia is a little girl. Here is begin from the small letter Alia. Okay, Alia is a proper noun. Okay, so you know very well is you know very well um, proper noun begins from the capital letter. Okay, so you can write here from the capital letters Alia. Okay, and next, Alia is a little girl, and you will use the full stop end of sentence. Okay, so it is completed. Okay, otherwise there is not use the um, full stop, that is not complete sentence. Okay, but you have put it there full stop end of sentence, so it is completed. Okay, next, you can do it very easily according to the first question. Okay, she likes to play badminton. You can do it very easily. So please, you do this exercise in your notebook. Okay, and next, she enjoys reading story books. In this also, you will use the capital letter and full stop end of sentence. Okay, nothing, nothing, do this more. Next, grammar fun. In grammar fun, you can do very easily because you know the definition of sentence. Okay, and also given for you the definition of sentence. Okay, a group of words. Okay, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, a sentence always begins with a capital letters and ends with a full stop. Okay, you can see here in the punctuation. Okay, Ducky looked up at the sparrow. For example, as you like, Ducky looked up at the sparrow. It is sentence. Okay, and with capital letter and full stop end of sentence has been completed this sentence. Okay, next, G exercise, match the words in the two columns to make sentences. Okay, you can see here in this exercise with question. Okay, first is Ducky had. What is Ducky had? Huh? Ducky had flat feet. Okay, Ducky had flat feet. So you can see here match with D. Okay, first is match with D, and second, she wanted to hop like a rabbit. She wanted to hop like a rabbit. Okay, because rabbit was hopping. Okay, rabbit rabbit was hopping, and also hopping is noun. Okay, she next, Ducky saw a hen at the farm. Ducky saw a hen at the farm. Okay, you know very well hen was at the farm. Okay, so it is correct with matching. Okay, mama duck was swimming in the pond. Okay, what was doing mama duck? So mama duck was swimming in the pond. Okay, next exercise H. Rearrange the words to make sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Write them in your notebook. Okay. You can see here given for example which has been done. Question number 1. Okay, for you. Uh, Question number 1. Ducky was going for swim. Now you can arrange these words in order way. Okay. How can you do this? Let's we do. Ducky first. Ducky was. Okay. Ducky was. Ducky is a noun. Okay. Then helping verb. Then verb going for a swim. Okay, it has been completed with correct words sentence. Okay, next, saw a sparrow see. Now you can take the firstly subject. Okay, says subject, then verb see saw. See saw. Saw is a verb. A sparrow. Whom saw? A sparrow. Okay, she saw a sparrow. Okay, next, did not she have feet strong? Who had not strong feet? So you can arrange the words easily. Firstly, you can take the subject she. Okay, then helping verb did not, and then have, then strong. Okay, because it is quality of her adjective. Okay, and then feet. Okay, she did not have strong feet. Okay, so and thus completed the sentence. Okay, good feet are my so flat. You can easily arrange the words in correct sentence. Okay, so let me do the sentence. Firstly, we can take the subject my. Okay, then helping verb are. Okay, then you can say my flat feet. Okay, my flat feet means her flat feet. Okay, my flat feet are so good. Okay, so it is completed by the correct words. Okay, okay, come to the next exercise, communication skills. You can do very easily. Listen to your teacher describe on animal, number the animal. You can do very easily. Okay, according to the number. Okay, so you can do this at your home self view. Okay, talk to your partner about the things you like to do. Okay, you it is also you can do on. Okay, you may use these words play with toys, sing songs, meet friends, read books. Okay, you can do this also on. Okay, self. Okay, next, writing exercise K. Write in the speech bubble one sentence about each animal. Choose words from the box. Okay, you can do this by the help of box, um, given the some words, but you can choose the correct words according to the pictures. Okay, first is I am a duck. I am a duck. What can duck? Duck said, I can swim. Okay, the next, I am a peacock. Okay, peacock, what can peacock, what can do peacock? So peacock said, I can dance. Okay, next, horse. I am a horse. Okay, horse can gallop. Nothing other work. Okay, I am a sparrow. I am a sparrow. Sparrow can fly. Okay, sparrow can fly. And is last is the snake. Okay, I am a snake. I can crawl. Okay, snake can crawl. Okay, so thank you. Thank you. Keep watching the video. Okay, and you can learn practice at your home with the book, with the help of books. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.